Welcome, my viewers and listeners. Today, we shall discuss the different types of the profit and loss account. Do you know actually how many types of the profit and loss account are there? In general, there are three types of the profit and loss account. One is the common profit and loss account, which is prepared by all businesses to determine the profit and loss of the business. And all of us know that this type of the profit and loss account is prepared by deducting the total expenses from the total revenue of the business. Now, this profit and loss account is prepared for determining the profit and loss of a whole business, and it is applicable to almost all types of the business, and it is prepared after a certain period of the time. Now I am coming with the profit and loss appropriations account. This profit and loss appropriation account is generally prepared only for the partnership type of the business. At first, in the partnership business, the general profit and loss account is prepared to determine the profit and loss of the business for the whole year, for the whole business. This profit or loss of the total business is then transferred to the profit and loss account. This profit and loss appropriation account is used to distribute the different types of the dues to the partners, as well as the portions of the profit they will get from the partnership firm or the partnership business as per the agreement or as per the partnership deed. In general, the different type of the dues payable to a partner or to the partners may be the salaries, the brokerage, the commission, the interest on loan, etc. These type of the items which are payable by the firm to the partners are debited in the profit and loss appropriation account, and the amount or any amount which may be receivable from the partner, say for example interest on drawings, this amount is credited in the profit and loss appropriation account. Now, after adjusting all the amounts payable to the partners and any amount which is receivable from the partner, the net amount is found out and the dues to all individual partners are determined. After determinations of the dues or the distributions of the profit along with the other dues receivable or payable to the partners, this individual amount are transferred to the partner's capital account if the account is maintained under flexible capital method, or it may be transferred to the partner's current account if the account is generally maintained in fixed capital method. Now we are coming the profit and loss adjustment account. In the profit and loss adjustment account, the total profit is also transferred to profit and loss adjustment account from the general profit and loss account, and the necessary adjustments which are required for any transactions which may have the total impact on the total profit of the business are adjusted in the profit and loss adjustment account. In general, the amounts which may arise due to the rectifications of the error and other adjustment entries are passed or adjusted through the profit and loss adjustment account. After adjusting all the necessary adjustment entries like the rectifications of errors, amount, etc., the adjusted profit and loss account or profit and loss amount is determined from the profit and loss adjustment account. Now we understand that there are three types of the profit and loss account. One is the general profit and loss account prepared by the all types of the businesses, profit and loss appropriations account, which is prepared mainly by the partnership businesses along with the main profit and loss account, and another is the profit and loss adjustment account, which is required to prepare the adjusted profit after the preparations of the general profit and loss account. In conclusion, I want to say that whatever the types of the profit and loss accounts are prepared, the format of the profit and loss accounts are different for different types of the businesses. For the purpose of the partnership firm, for the purpose of the companies, for the purpose of the proprietorship firms and other types of the businesses where the accounts may be prepared as per the individual act, for example, the Banking Companies Act, the Insurance Companies Act, the Railways Act, where these types of the acts are applicable, or for the applications of the Companies Act, where these type of the acts are applicable, the profit and loss account is prepared as per the given format according to that act, and we cannot prepare such profit and loss account as per our own wish. Thank you. I think we understand how many types of the profit and loss accounts are prepared and why are they prepared and what are the objects and uses of this profit and loss account. Thank you.